how to view archive posts, stories, and lives on Instagram. Now, let's say you have archived a post or a story or a live on Instagram. Now, in order for you to archive a specific post, let's say right here, you want to archive this post, all you have to do is to tap on the three dots and click on archive. Now, if you archive a post, you will no longer see that on your profile feed. Now, in order for you to locate that, all you have to do is to click on these three lines on the upper corner right here. Now, once you're here, you will be able to see a section that says archive. Just have to click on that, and you will be able to see the post that you have archived on your Instagram. If you click on Post Archive right here, you will also be given various categories such as Stories, Posts, and Live Archives. If you click on Story Archive, you will be able to see every stories that you have posted on Instagram. You will also be able to see every live that you have archived on Instagram as well. So that's how to view archive posts, stories, and lives on Instagram. Hope we help.